Hey guys, it's Ben and Roxy from So Vegan and welcome back to the So Vegan kitchen.
Oh yeah. In this video, we are gonna be cooking up a protein-packed meal prep recipe. Our last meal prep recipe blew up. And since then, you guys have been asking us for another one, so here it is. We're making it today, and we are gonna be using tofu, which is super high in protein, high in calcium, and low in calorie. And we're gonna be dousing that with curry powder, cumin. We're using curry powder to keep things really simple, but if you wanna make your own from scratch, then go for it. Add a bit of coriander powder with cumin, turmeric, maybe a little bit of garam masala as well. And we're gonna be serving that with a delicious salad. We're using bulgur wheat for loads of fiber, also kidney beans and chickpeas, also super high in protein. This is gonna be delicious.
Right, to get started, we're gonna make a gorgeous marinade for this tofu. Grab yourself a mixing bowl. The first thing we're gonna add is our coconut milk. Grab your tin, open it up. Give those ingredients a good stir to combine that gorgeous coconut cream with that coconut water. When you're done, just pour about half a cup into the bowl. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of the curry powder, a teaspoon of the cumin, about a tablespoon of soy sauce. It's gonna add that lovely salty umami flavor, and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir. Smells incredible already, and this is just the right consistency. Right, that is looking great.
And smelling amazing.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave that bowl to one side and we're gonna slice the tofu. We're using extra firm tofu here, so we don't need to press it. However, if your tofu does contain lots of moisture, give it a press beforehand, get rid of all that moisture, and it will help soak up even more of this wonderful flavor. We want about 2 slices per box, so we're gonna slice these 2 blocks into 8 pieces. Pick up a slice of tofu, dunk it in the marinade until it's fully submerged in that sauce, and then just transfer it to a bowl. When you're done, pour the remaining marinade over the tofu. We're gonna let this marinate for at least half an hour, so that tofu soaks up all that gorgeous aromatic flavor from those curry spices.
Delicious. Next, we are gonna cook the bulgur. Over here. Add 200 grams of bulgur to a saucepan and around 500 ml of hot water straight from a kettle. We're gonna lightly season with a bit of salt, then pop the lid on, bring it to the boil and simmer for 15 minutes. So while we're waiting for the bulgur to cook, we're gonna prep the remainder of the salad. So grab yourselves a large mixing bowl. So we're going in with a tin of red kidney beans. These have been drained and rinsed. We're going straight into the mixing bowl. And we're also going in with a tin of chickpeas. These have also been drained and rinsed. Next, we're gonna chop up a red onion. Slice the onion quite thinly and chuck it straight into the salad bowl. Roughly chop some coriander. This is nice and fresh. It's gonna add a great pop of green. We're gonna stop at about the stalks, about here. Again, let's just chuck it straight into the mixing bowl. We're going in with a heaped teaspoon of allspice, 2 teaspoons cumin, season generously with salt, and freshly ground black pepper, the juice of a lime. So the lime is gonna give a great burst of acidity and freshness. It's really gonna bring the salad to life. So the salad is nearly ready. We are just waiting for the bulgur to finish cooking. Then we're gonna cool it down for a little bit, chuck it in here, and it will be ready. In the meantime, time for a cup of tea. No, I don't like it.
Are you ready for the slurp?
No, I feel like this. No. Help me. Right, so the bulgur wheat is ready. It's cooked and it's been cooling, so we're ready to put it straight into the salad. So much goodness in here, so much flavor as well. It's a really good, wholesome part of the meal. So the salad's done, and now it's time to fry the tofu.
First, add a splash of olive oil. Once the pan's nice and hot, add each piece of tofu and fry on each side for about 5 minutes. Make sure you collect any leftover marinade from the bowl and brush it over the tofu. These look absolutely phenomenal. Look at these charred lines. Tofu is all done. It's looking lovely and charred. I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, it's looking great.
Right, next we're gonna cook this broccoli in the pan for about 5 minutes. So this broccoli is ready. You can still see it's got a lovely crunch to it and it's still vibrant and green, which is exactly what we want. So we're just gonna take this off the heat.
So we are nearly there with our protein-packed meal prep. There's a couple of little things left to do. So we wanna serve the meal prep with some vibrant veggies. So we're gonna chop up some cucumber and some fresh and fragrant cherry tomatoes. And finally, we're gonna make a vibrant and fresh yogurt and mint sauce to top all over the protein-packed meal prep. Start by picking the leaves off the stalks of mint. We're gonna chop it up, just really roughly. Just gonna throw this straight into a bowl, along with a few spoons of yogurt. We're using a coconut flavored yogurt here, just to get that extra bit of creaminess and flavor. And then we're just gonna stir this together to create our delicious and refreshing mint and yogurt dressing. This is gonna finish off the protein-packed meal prep so well. Right, so this is all combined.
That is it. All the ingredients are ready. We've done it.
High fives. High tens. We're gonna eat like kings and queens for lunch.
I'm gonna be getting that protein on the go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, get the guns out.
Guns out, buns out.
So we've got these 4 glass containers and we're gonna start by adding the salad. Final last thing to do is just drizzle a tiny bit of the yogurt and mint dressing over each serving. It's ready, all the meal prep is done, and our lunch boxes are ready. Get in my belly.
So hungry. So basically gonna put the lid on 2 of them and keep them in the fridge for later on in the week. And then we're gonna devour the other 2 right now because it is like 4 p.m. and we haven't had lunch because we've been filming through lunch.
So those 2 are in the fridge and they should last for at least, I reckon, 4 to 5 days.
Yeah, definitely.
But here are the 2 we're gonna eat now.
I am so ready for this. Ooh, I want a bit of the tofu. That mint really works, it really brings everything together.
So good.
It's nice to have like a little yogurt dressing as well. Gives it a bit of moisture because the tofu can be quite dry on its own.
You get the heat from the curry powder. Comes through at the end, doesn't it? It's really good.
And lovely crunchy broccoli as well.
Fresh, fragrant, colourful, vibrant. If you're busy like us and you don't want to be spending loads of money on shop bought lunches throughout the week and you want to pack in loads of nutrients and loads of protein, make sure you give this a go.
Should we do the meal prep dance?
Yes, ready?
Meal prep, meal prep, meal prep, meal prep. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video. You've got to try it. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Bing, 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 bing. So that you know when a new video is about to drop. We love you guys. Peace out.
Thanks for watching.